kinuha pala kami or may binigay pala silang pagkain. Ito para kay mama at para sa akin. So basically, lahat pala ng nag-vote is nabigyan. So this is from the candidates. Hi vlog. Hi vlog. So I'm home and my head hurts. And alam niyo guys, I feel like I'm gonna bawi may tulog ngayon. Kasi in the past few weeks, mag 2 weeks na akong hindi nakakatulog ng maayos. And my body clock is so ruined na. And palagi akong gising sa gabi and I'm asleep at the day. So, gusto kong makabawi. Feeling ko kasi magkakasakit na ako. And, yeah. Kinukuha ko lang yung yung timing. Yung timing para makatulog ako ngayon. Pero ang init. Sana makatulog ako. Yun lang. Hi vlog, today is Tuesday, May 13 and I am going back sa Trinidad since I have some thesis and kailangan namin mag-defense this week, this upcoming Friday. So kailangan namin gumawa ng PPT.
What the dog doing?
Apakatapang naka-jacket. Hi vlogs! Darating ko lang. And I got 2 packages from TikTok. So let's unbox it. And this is my first time to try this PVP. I got this for 172. Cute. Ko naman na. This is sunscreen from Rosmar. Yung new sunscreen niya na yung Kagayako sunscreen. Dental sunscreen. Yan. Ayan. And then, tan! Ang cute niya. Ganda niya guys. Hindi siya natatanggal. Oh. OMG! Ang cute naman ng